Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Regression problems look intimidating, but you can solve this one quickly by finding the predicted value, calculating the residual, and matching it to the correct option. First, plug the temperature of 20.8 into our regression equation. Multiplying by 0.262 and adding 22.55 gives us the predicted length. Now find the residual by subtracting the predicted value from the actual observed length of 27.15. This difference represents the error of our linear regression model today. Finally, compare our result to the given choices. Negative 0.8496 is closest to negative 0.85, which makes option B the winner. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Avoid flipping the residual formula and always double-check the sign of your final answer.